In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable snap to guides on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then select Preferences. And then we can go on the left side underneath Canvas Interaction and click the drop down and then select Snapping. On the right side where it says Snap to Grids, either check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference for both normal and full screen mode, and then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.